Namaste. This is Lokendra Sound, mathematics teacher, and today I am going to teach you algebra. And here is some, important points related to algebra. They are explained and they are defined here. I hope you will enjoy and you learn from this class. Okay, first of all, I want to tell you what is algebra. Okay, listen to me very carefully, and you can read these words also from here. See here, algebra. It is the generalization of arithmetic where you can see here where we learn unknown quantities along with numbers. Means when unknown quantities are kept combined with the what known quantities, and that will form the what algebra. Okay, that will form the expression also, algebraic expression as we can tell them. And it is one of the branch of mathematics. Okay, there are the different branches of mathematics. Among them, one is algebra. Algebra is one of the main branch, okay, of mathematics. Okay, here is kept some of the things. Look, example one is x plus 2. X plus 2 equals to 5. Okay, and here 2 and 5 are known quantity, and this x is unknown quantity. Okay, here another one, look at 3y square, and there is 5m okay, and this look at 4x, and there is bracket, this bracket means multiply, 4x multiply with 2x plus 3y and bracket close, etc. Okay, this is also one of the introduction of algebra. Okay, and now look here, below this definition there is written some of the frequently used, some frequently used words in algebra. What are the words that frequently comes in algebra? That is explained below. Okay, so here, first of all, I have written there constant. This word also you learn in algebra. In algebra, constant, this word comes frequently. Okay, what is the meaning of constant? Let's see. Okay, let's read here. Constant is a number. Constant is a number on its own, or sometimes or later, such as A, B, here look here, or C, stands for a fixed number. That means ABC also can be the constant also if they have the fixed number. Okay, that means constant is, that is a number which has the fixed value. Okay, which has fixed value, that's called constant. Generally constant will be expressed in the form of number. Okay, and there's given example also. Here is in x plus 3 equals to 9. Okay, and here written, look here, 3 and 9 are constants. Okay, because the 3 and 9 have the fixed value. Okay, that's why these 3 and 9 are constants. Okay, now let's move to the another point. See here. Okay, after this constant, what is the frequently word that comes in algebra? What is the next word that comes frequently in algebra? Okay, that is variables. Okay, in these variables, okay, what is the meaning of variables? Let's read first of all about it. Variable is a symbol, that is the symbol, okay, that has more than one values. Which has more than one values, that's called variable. Okay, and similarly, in look here, one example is given there. In class 10, suppose in class 10, the name of the student is variables. Why name of the student is variable? Because in class 10 there are so many names of the students. Okay, but remember that number of students of class 10 is constant because that is fixed value, but names will be the different. There will be many names in class 10. That's why that is variable. Okay, but don't forget that number of students of class 10 is constant. Okay, because that is fixed value, and it is given because it has more than one names in the class. Okay, that's why that's called variable. Variable means okay, that has, that's the symbol, you can, that's the symbol which has more than one values, okay. And here is given example, in 4x minus 7 equals to 5, x is variable, it is a symbol for a number. Actually variable is the symbol for a number, okay, that is the symbol for a number, okay. That generally we use letters x, y, z like this one, they all comes under variables, okay. Now let's move to the next point, that is term. What is term? This also comes frequently in algebra. What is the meaning of term? Look here. Term is either a single number, term is either a single number or variable, or number and variable multiplied together. Means when number and variables are multiplied together, that also forms number. Or term is either number only, okay, or variable only also, okay, that will form the term. And please, you have to note it, okay, you have to note this, okay, you have to keep always in mind that terms are separated by plus and minus sign only, okay. Terms are separated by plus and minus sign only, but sometime it may be separated by divide sign, okay, but that will not come in your class 1, you will learn in upper class also. Sometime it may be separated by divide, but mainly the terms will be separated by this plus and minus sign only, okay. And look here, example is given there, 4x plus 3y, okay, this is the algebraic expression, okay. This has two terms because one term is 4x and the term is 3y, okay. These two are separated by this plus sign where I'm pointing, okay, see there. And similarly, second one is 3x, this slash is this divide, 3x is divided by 2, okay, has one term, okay, because divide, I told that this divide does not separate the term, okay. This has only one term. Similarly, look at another third example, 5m plus 3n minus, okay, 7o has three terms. First term is 5m, second term is 3n, and third term is 7o, okay. Like this, terms will be separated by only plus and minus sign only, okay. Okay, now let's move to the next one that comes frequently in algebra, okay. Okay, see here, the fourth one there is written coefficient. Okay, this word also comes frequently in algebra. What is the meaning of coefficient? Okay, let's read. A number or a letter. Sometimes letter also, sometimes okay, number also. Number or a letter which is multiplied with a variable is called coefficient. Means sometimes number also may be multiplied with the what? Variable, and sometimes letter also may be multiplied with variable. Look here, one example is given, that is coefficient, okay. Look, in 4ax, this is given in 4ax, okay, numerical coefficient is 4 because it is the number. Look, 4 is multiplied, this 4 is multiplied with x, that's why 4 is numerical coefficient. Look, and literal coefficient is a, because this is the letter which is multiplied with this x, okay, that's why this a is called literal coefficient, okay. If the number is multiplied with the okay variable, that is what? Numerical coefficient. If letter is multiplied with the variable, that's called literal coefficient, okay. Now let's move to the next point which comes frequently in algebra, power, okay. What is the meaning of power? See here, this word also comes frequently in algebra, okay. Look, 2 is little bit, okay, here 2, and on the head of 2 there is 5 written, okay, on the top, okay. You can tell on head also, on head of this 2 there is 5 written. This 2 is the base, 2 is the base, and this 5 is the power. 2 is the base and 5 is the power. I'm frequently repeating, 2 is the base, 5 is the power. What is the meaning of power? Look, 2 to the power 5, okay, means this 2 base should be multiplied 5 times. 2 to the power 5 means 2 base should be multiplied 5. Look at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That 2 is multiplied 5 times. That is the meaning of power, okay. Here is the look, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, okay. Look there, this 2 has been multiplied 5 times is the base which is to be multiplied. Okay, read as 2 to the power 5, 2 to the power 5. Okay, and here is given examples also. Look at x square. How to read it? Here is given also in the bracket. How to read it I have mentioned here in words. Okay, x square, or we can tell x to the power 2. Okay, we can read by both ways. Okay, anyone we can use there. This also correct. Square also, x square also we can tell, or x to the power 2 also we can tell. Both of them are correct. And this x to the power 3, we can read it x cube or x to the power 3. And here is x to the power 4 means x to the power 4, and so on. Similarly, x to the power 5, x to the power 6, x to the power 7, okay, and so on. And please note that here is written power is synonymous with exponent. Somewhere you will find out in place of power there is an exponent. That exponent means also power. Okay, don't forget that. Somewhere there will be written exponent, and you please don't be confused that that exponent means also power. Okay, that is synonym, okay, of power. Power and exponent are synonym with each other. Okay, now let's move to the next point. Okay, that is, okay, assignment here now. Okay, here is given assignment, okay, related to this algebra. Okay, these are very easy question, okay, which are related to just today's class. Okay, just today's class. Okay, and this at the bottom of this, okay, assignment there is mentioned some of things. Okay, you please look there and read it and follow this also, because this class, okay, this video is prepared just for my students. Okay, for the virtual class. Okay, I hope learn it about algebra, and next, and we will learn about, okay, algebraic expression and more about it. Okay, next video I will teach you more things about algebraic expression, and polynomials also I will teach you in the next video. Thank you very much. Everybody will stay, okay, safe and healthy, fit and fine. Okay, please keep your habit, okay, of study, okay, learning, practicing. Okay, as you know that practice makes the student perfect. Okay, have a good day. Thank you very much.